So yeah guys, what's going on? I just got myself some new boxing gloves, as you can see. I mean, you can't see it because it's still in the package, but I'm just letting you know straight up. I got training today, so let's open them up together. So I don't know if you guys know about this brand, but they put a lot of ads on Instagram and etc. And I wanted to put it to the test. Let's get up close and personal. So far, it's not bad. Let's open it. So far, they look good. And they look... Obviously, this is the second pair of boxing gloves that I ever buy. And they feel alright. Let me just cut straight to the chase and put them on. So boom, it comes with, oh, wristbands. Actually needed that, wow. See, who would have thought? Comes with the wristband. Now, I don't even know how to put on wristbands, but god damn, that's good. No, I'll do that later. Put them on. Let's see what it looks like. These are 16 ounces, by the way. I looked for the heaviest one. Okay. They're not super thick. I mean, it's not super heavy. But I feel like the material inside is solid compared to my previous Everlast boxing gloves. Let me put them on. I always like to start with the right hand. It's a Muslim thing. Okay. 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 It feels, the inside feels rigid. I don't know if it's a good thing or if it's a bad thing. But yeah. Like, I can feel my fist inside of it. Like, yeah. Looks solid though. I feel a little bit constricted inside of it, but maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Maybe I got big hands. I thought I had small hands, but my hands are big after all. Let me show you something. So boom. You see this? It feels more tight. I like how it wraps around. You know what I mean? And I like the little golden. No, they seem solid. I can't lie. Whatever's inside, the foam that's inside seems solid. I'm gonna work either on the pads or the punching bag when I get to the gym. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you my opinion on how it feels, you know what I mean? So yeah. So alright guys, let me give you my honest opinion. Here I wasn't really going for power shots because I just came from like at least 10 to 15 rounds of sparring back to back. Something like that, I can't remember. Anyways, I like these gloves to be honest. With the hand wraps, it feels a bit tight, I'm not gonna lie. But this is obviously the first time I ever used hand wraps on top of gloves. But easy to put on, easy to remove. Also the strap doesn't go off every 5 seconds like the previous Everlast bag, so they fit like a glove. Like a glove, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, the link will be in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. It was your boy Tanom's going on out.